It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 14th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Hot temperatures to continue, but an increase in the number of showers and storms across the state today, and that should lead to better rain chances here in Phoenix. And a low to mid-grade monsoon forecast will be with us for most of the forecast period, with these periodic increases in storm coverage thanks to easterly waves that come in here, especially as we head into next week. All right, let's get into it here. Taking a look at the almanac from yesterday, 113 degrees the afternoon high. 93 was the record warm low temperature. The normal high 107, the normal low 85. We did pick up a trace of rain officially at Sky Harbor yesterday. And as we take a look outside right now at 11:30 a.m., quite a few clouds around, partly sunny sky across the metro. And we're at 103 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 58, relative humidity 23%. Wind from the northwest at 12, gusting to 18 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. The weather pattern out here across the western states has not changed all that much. High pressure is sitting right there over the New Mexico-Colorado border, and the clockwise flow around it, bringing in southeasterly flow across the area. So we do have decent monsoon moisture flowing into the state today. And because of that, and thanks to a very weak little trough sitting just off the Baja coast, that should help to enhance shower and thunderstorm development today and tonight. The watch warning map, heat advisories across the nation's midsection. Otherwise, around here, we have an air quality alert once again for elevated ozone across Maricopa and Pinal counties. The convective outlook for the rest of the day, we have the standard slight risk of severe storms across parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota, pockets of marginal risks for portions of Montana, Wyoming, the southeast U.S., as well as the coast of Maine. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, so thunderstorm activity is expected. And while we don't anticipate organized severe weather, as you know, any one storm during the monsoon can always become severe. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, around 1/10 of an inch, give or take. Of course, we expect more across the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona along the southern border of our state. 1 to 2 inches are possible. But remember, when looking at these maps this time of the year, this is just sort of an average of what you'll see during this period. Any one storm can obviously produce more than what's shown here. Just like in East Mesa and Gilbert last night, some of those places had over an inch of rain in short order. So let's get into this weather pattern in more detail. We'll take a look at the models, see what's going on. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run. This is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure sitting here across the southwest, that monsoon ridge, and a southeasterly flow is in place. A very weak little disturbance, an inverted trough right there along the Baja coast as well. So what it all means for us down here at the surface for the rest of the day today, partly sunny sky, and we will see scattered showers and thunderstorms developing over eastern and southeast Arizona. They'll start to move toward the lower deserts this afternoon and this evening. And high temperatures for the rest of the day today, 108 to 112. Yeah, it's still going to be hot out there. Tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms will roll into the lower deserts, and I do think at least some of those will hold together to get into the Phoenix area. Now, I don't expect a widespread significant precipitation event, but if you're into the numbers, the chance of us getting wet, I'd say about 30%. So overnight lows tonight generally in the 80s to around 90, and then tomorrow, if tonight does turn out to be more active, tomorrow should be less so. Partly cloudy, slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and storms, and high temperatures a couple of degrees either side of 110. Going into the weekend, one of the 2 days likely to be a bit more active. We do see evidence of an easterly wave coming into the area Saturday night, early Sunday. So I expect maybe a slight increase in the number of showers and storms, especially over eastern Arizona this weekend, and maybe a few more get into the lower deserts as well. We'll just broad brush it with a 20% chance of afternoon and nighttime showers and storms for both Saturday and Sunday. And again, high temperatures pretty close to 110. As we go into next week, we'll stick with a pretty standard monsoon forecast. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms over the mountains, widely scattered showers and storms in the deserts. High temperatures will retreat a few degrees closer to average. In fact, maybe even a degree or two below normal by the time we get to the middle part of next week. And we will occasionally see these disturbances or easterly waves rotating around this ridge into the southwest, and that should serve to enhance shower and thunderstorm activity from time to time. But obviously, at this stage of the game, there's just no way of knowing exactly when those disturbances will occur. So that's why we're just sticking with this broad brush forecast for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now, here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 21st. Still a typical summertime forecast. Hot, humid, scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, and high temperatures right around seasonal normals. Then, taking a look out 10 days, this is Saturday the 23rd. Troughing sits to the north of us, but still we expect at least widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Maybe slightly drier air does try to make its way in here at that point, but that remains to be seen. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix going out through the 27th of July. And this is coming off of the GFS ensemble. Every member indicates some precipitation during this time. The ensemble mean around 3/4 of an inch of rain. And temperatures off the national blend of models staying hot for the rest of this week and into the weekend. And then readings trend down closer to seasonal averages as we get into next week, perhaps with an increase in moisture and rain chances along with it. And that'll just about do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions. Music fans, check it out. My streaming station available 24/7, 365. It is called KMGX, where we play a ton of music. Have a lot of fun doing that. Myself and the one and only Michelle. We are responsible for the programming and operation of that station. Scary as that sounds, but that's why you've got to check it out. I will leave a link to it in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an absolutely unbelievable Thursday.